Hi friends, good morning to all. Today we are starting a new video on the course and career options that are available for the plus 2 science stream school students. So this is the new video for the school students focusing on the courses that are available to the plus 2 science stream school students, and the career opportunities they can achieve by studying these courses are dealt in detail in this section. So now before we look into the content section, let me introduce the presenters. I am Dr. Ananda Vijayan. I am a dental surgeon. So the next presenter is Dr. Anusha VR. She is also a dental surgeon. Now we are moving to the introduction part. So first we look at the basic introduction of this video. So in this introduction we will deal with the why we are giving the details of the courses, which are the basic courses that are available for the science stream students after the plus 2. So it is important for the students to plan their studies and the parents to plan the studies of your child by starting the plus 1 classes. So now the first section includes the details of engineering courses. So it has the sections of streams of engineering degree. So which are the engineering degrees that are available to the students after they complete their plus 2 course. So the next section is the science courses. So always the science courses have been the first choice of the students who have been completing their plus 2 science stream. It includes the details of courses in physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and geology and statistics. So I am just giving a brief introduction to all these courses in this content section. The complete details of the courses, including the fees, the course eligibility criteria, the other details will be dealt in detail in the complete section of the video. Next we go on to the section that is including the PG courses for the science stream. So it includes the various specialization you can take during your science stream, such as the physics, which are the specialization you can do after your physics BSc program. So after the BSc program in chemistry, which are the specialization you can do. The next section is law. So for the science students and every student who has completed science, arts, commerce and other streams in plus 2, law is a better option, career option. So in this section gives the details of courses that are available within the law, and the subsection gives the details of PG courses that are available in the law. Then the next section is the fisheries course. This fisheries course is one of the courses which very less people know. So we are introduced this fisheries section in a broad manner so that the people can understand the opportunities that are available in these courses, and it includes the details of post-graduation degrees within the fisheries. Next we are going to deal with the section of allied health sciences or paramedical courses. This is one of the most sorted courses for the plus 2 science stream students. It includes the details of courses like pharmacy, physiotherapy, nursing, medical lab technology, ophthalmic technology, x-ray technician, dental assistant courses and other miscellaneous courses, which includes other paramedical courses. Details also is included in this section. Next we go on to the biomedical sciences section. So this is one of the most important section for the science stream students. So there is a wide range of opportunities that is available for the students in the biomedical science after they complete their plus 2 science. The details of courses include the details of institute, mainly the ISER is given first, and then the details of courses such as biotechnology, anatomy, medical pharmacology, medical microbiology. The specializations available in medical microbiology is given. The biochemistry section, the physiology section, the pathology section are given in detail in the following slides. So the next section is the medical courses. As I am a dental surgeon, so I know the different varieties of medical courses that have been available for the plus 2 science stream students. So it is one of the main hotspot courses that is available to the science stream students. So it is more competitive courses. It includes the details of courses like medicine, dentistry, Ayurveda, homeopathy, veterinary science, Siddha, Unani and other stuffs are given in detail. The final section of courses include the details of courses of agriculture and the details of courses in MTech agriculture. Next we move on to the eligibility exam section. So once we know about the course details, you should know how to get admission to all these courses. So we are giving a brief introduction of the eligibility exam that is being required for getting admission to these courses. Mainly we will be discussing the eligibility exams in detail, such as for the engineering exam we will be discussing the IIT JEE exam and the state entrance exam. Details have been given. And the next section is the All India NEET exams. As you all know, the All India NEET exam is basically for the admission to medical and dental courses around India. And the next section is All India Agriculture examination. And the final section is All India Veterinary exam that is being given. So once you get the idea of all this eligibility exams in detail, you will be able to apply for the courses in a hassle-free manner. Now we are going to the final section, that is the job and professional opportunities. So this is the video, that is a section that is concentrating on the career opportunities that are available to the students once they complete this bachelor's or master's program. So as a student of a science stream student, you should be able to understand the career opportunities that are available to the course. Then only you would be able to select the course in a more perfect manner, and it helps you to understand and select the courses in a more precise manner, and it helps the students to achieve their dreams and to identify courses that caters their interest. So it includes the details of job opportunities or professional opportunities in engineering, medical courses, allied health sciences, pharmacy, nursing, science and biomedical sciences courses, fisheries, and finally agriculture. So all these details, as I have mentioned, will be dealt in detail in the following slides. And a note for the students and parents is that this video will be available for students in a 3-year subscription module. So the students and parents needs to understand that once they subscribe this video, it would be available to them through this website through 3 years. So after that they can update this video for further use.